Question number 39. The charge to mass ratio R of a particle is given by the equation shown. R equal to charge on the particle divided by mass of the particle. Value of R is determined for an alpha particle, beta positive particle. What is beta positive particle? Positron. The proton. Okay. Which of the list shows the particles in the order of increasing magnitude of R from left to right? Okay, let us find out for each of them. First, let me find for R alpha. What is R alpha? It has two protons, and then two neutrons. Total number of particles here is 4 mass. So it should be E by 2m here. And then let me find for R beta plus. So it has one positive charge, and the mass of the positron is equal to mass of an electron. Okay, which means this should be much lesser. Okay, so this is something like m by 1680, let us say 2000 for time being, m by 2000, which should nearly be equal to 2000 times E by m. What is this 2000? It's nearly a mass of a proton, around 1864 or something is there, but I just put it as 2000. Okay, then you have Rp. Rp is equal to what? E by m, right? Charge on a proton is E and mass is m over here. So based on the mass of the proton and neutron, I can calculate it like this over here. So based on this, now which one will be the least of it? The least of it would be, maximum. What is he asking? Order of increasing magnitude of R from left to right. Which one would be least of here? Least would be alpha, and then the next one would be proton, and this the next one would be beta positive. So alpha, proton, and beta positive. B should be your answer. Okay.